found out right away it was really nearly impossible to retrain journalists who had worked under Saddam Hussein. I mean, they had just developed really, really lazy habits. They never left their office. They didn't do any reporting. They just, they just spewed out what was given to them. So we found it was much easier to take young people, who were just bright and engaged and eager for something new and different, and train them to work as independent journalists. The way they reported on things was really quite different from how Western reporters did it. But we were still trying to train them, so in terms of the topics and how they saw things, but we were still trying to train them to write news that was not opinion, because this is another thing that's very prevalent in the Middle East, is people write columns. Everybody writes a column. It's all about your opinion, because a lot of journalism kind of started with intellectuals who would pontificate to the masses, kind of thing. So to retrain people like that is nearly impossible. And we used to write up on the bulletin board in great big letters, "Neither you nor your opinion matters."